How to delete account on Botim app. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete your account on the Botim application. Then the first thing to do is to log in into your to is to ensure that you've installed the Botim app on your mobile device. And then once you've installed it, open it up. Then once it's opened, you'll be brought to um the calls interface automatically. And then once you're on this interface, the next thing for you to do is to move to the lower part of the screen where you see some options such as the calls option, the chat, explore, contact, and then me. Ensure you click on me. Now, once you've clicked on me, a page will be displayed showcasing accounts, chats and calls, notifications, usage, Botim desktop, about, and then tell a friend. And once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to click on account. Now, once you've clicked on account, you'll be taken to the accounts page automatically as well. Then on this page, you would see my number, manage my account, privacy, and then log out. The next thing to do is to click on my account. Then that's manage my account. Sorry, manage my account. So once you click on manage my account, you'll be taken to manage my account page where you'd see passcode, trust devices, and then delete my account. Okay, so just go ahead and click on delete my account. Then once you click on it, you'll be redirected to that page where the delete my account option has been um activated, and then it would load. And then once it's done loading, you'll be able to delete your account. It is that simple. So this is how you can delete your accounts on the Botim application. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.